If your Telegram desktop is not making any sound, or you want to make sure desktop alerts are turned on, this video will walk you through it step by step. We'll go into Telegram desktop settings, find the notifications options, and turn on sound so you don't miss any new messages or alerts. This is a quick fix, but it can make a big difference if you use Telegram for work, group chats, or important conversations. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. In the top left corner of the app, click the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. This opens the main menu with all of Telegram's settings and options. From the menu, click Settings. This is where you can control how Telegram looks, behaves, and notifies you about activity. Once the settings page opens, look for notifications and sounds and click on it. This section controls desktop alerts, message tones, and sound preferences. Now find the option for desktop notifications and check that box to enable it. If desktop notifications are off, you may not see alerts pop up on your screen. After that, look for the sound option and make sure allow sound is turned on. This is the key setting that lets Telegram desktop play audio when new messages or notifications arrive. If it was already enabled, you can toggle it off and back on again to refresh the setting. Then close the settings window and send yourself a test message, or ask someone to message you, so you can confirm the sound is working properly. If you still do not hear anything, also make sure your computer volume is turned up and Telegram is not muted in your system sound settings. In some cases, Windows or macOS notification settings can also block sounds, so it's worth checking those if needed. Once everything is enabled, Telegram desktop should now play notification sounds normally. That's it. You've successfully turned on sound in Telegram desktop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides like this one.